Morning guys, welcome to the vlog. Still have some slime left over and Rebecca and I are just getting ready to go on the run, so I'm gonna try something new called the shoe slime prank. Sucker!
So dumb. I was like, what is in my shoe?
Hopefully it doesn't swell up too much.
Hurts.
So you hit it on that doorknob over there?
Yeah, I was kicking up and I moved, and then when I went up, I didn't know it was there, and it hurt so bad. I instantly got tears in my eyes.
Now I feel bad for pranking you. Okay, I won't prank you anymore today, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Package just came. A package just came. It's a package for us. Package.
So dumb.
Yeah!
Editing.
Package is right here. Let's open this thing up. Yeah, success. Be quiet, guys, please. Going in. We're going in. First one we have. This is Rebecca's. She's gonna be a ballerina. So these were inspired by Sean's video, which actually comes out today, where they did a sumo wrestling in the park. Links for all 3 videos are down here in the description box below. These actually automatically blow up and stay inflated. I am this guy. Why does the guy on the cover look like Casper? Oh, I'm gonna need batteries. Well, the suit fits. Like this big guy just carrying me around all day. That looks good on you.
Ooh.
Just on a plump.
Oh, it's like the backless swimsuit one.
We have our outfits on. Walk to the dab.
The Roger Rabbit. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
The MC Hammer.
MC Hammer. MC Hammer. Bye, bye, bye. MC.
You make me, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Do the wobble wobble. That's the birdie now. If this video gets 4,000 likes, I will wear this costume
for a whole day.
The whole day.
Yes!
The whole day.
Do it.
Rebecca will wear that costume
what?
for the whole day.
No.
10,000 likes?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, you know what you have to do? You can get both of us.
In public.
Yeah.
Like this.
I will walk to the bank. I will go grocery shopping with this thing.
We'll eat breakfast in these?
Yeah. At a restaurant, 4,000 likes for me, 10,000 likes for her. You know what you have to do, guys.
For both.
You know what you have to do. That's a wrap on the day, guys. I want to give a quick shout out to Nadine Taylor Beck, who has always been tweeting out all of our videos on Twitter.
We love you, thank you.
So I think this is something that we're gonna start doing more often. Anybody that comments early or shares it on social media, we'll start giving you guys shout outs. So 1 per video, and we'll start doing it at the end of the video. So
yeah.
thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace!